So here we are with episode 11. Of Reborn as a Vending Machine. I now wander the dungeons. Last episode was alright. I don't really have too much to say about it, so let's just get on with episode 11. If you guys like the video, like the video. If you dislike it, dislike it. I do have my full length up on Patreon and early access to some non-seasonal shows on YouTube memberships. But other than that, let us finally get started. The dance. Aho! Oh no. Lamus is scared of corpses? Don't worry, you just need to punch those corpses. If it's ghosts, though. Oh no. How does one defeat ghosts if attacks go through them? Alright, we're heading to a new stratum. Oh, there goes those birds calling you aho! Oh, ghost is something she can't punch through. Oh shit, exposed, dude! Ancient. Well, Lamus has to go. She says with tears in her eyes. Yeah, come on, Lamus, let's go. Don't worry, you've got Boxo to protect you. Ah. Well, unfortunately, you're the only one who can carry Boxo, so you and him are a pair. Practically clucking. You'll find that the scariest thing in this experience is Lamus herself. Oh, damn. She's got like one strand of hair in her lip. Don't worry, she's a really nice lady. Oh, carton. That was carton, cardboard. Oh yeah, they're childhood friends. Maybe that too. Yes. Uh-oh. Oh, it's another reason? We have to get it from Lamus then. Damn, dude, he's just out here by himself. Oh, he sees some ghosts. It's just spooky skeletons, dude. Maybe they want to buy something from you too, huh? Anti-undead goods. Ah. Rock salt. What is he? He's just... They're just like, hey dude, I just wanted to come here and get some food. What are you doing? There's just litter all over the floor. Well, these are your worlds and stuff, right? It's gotta be different. She causes a blur in his fucking camera. Mm-hmm. She wanted you to get the first-hand experience. Of course. What, they also don't want to be rude and come into the book? The book? The building? Uh-oh, you can't go with... by yourself. You can't have your support vending machine here. You go, Lamus. Especially in a scary... oh shit, she just... damn. Immediately back the Boxo. Uh-oh. That's right. With a machine on your... You're on my back, right? You're not gone. Is it relating to, like, the village when she was, like, too scared to help? Or that too. I just love Boxo with a nice little blush. Aroma diffuser. What the fuck? Vending machines has that? He turns into the jukebox. Very fun that, like, the little thing continues wrapping around. Like, the it's supposed to be wooden straps or something. Like, it just... it forms with the vending machine when it changes. You haven't even seen the monsters yet, hold on. You remove Boxo. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Did he find Meikyuu? There he is! And the band of gluttons. Or maybe he just got dragged. he's gotta... well, at least he's got 2 people that he's been there. On a trial basis. The latter part, that's important, yes. King of Souls. I can't even eat them. Kills your appetite. So look, if Lamus, if Boxo was human there, his arm would have gotten crushed. God. Based on dead humans. Oh, a zombie? Or corpse, huh? Very funny that they don't crash into the building. Don't have any coin, but want something. Ooh. 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 Oh wow, it just knows to grab it. What did he give him? Orange juice? Or is that the Odin? He just eats the... oh, they'll know how to open it. Oh, the juice are just... oh, the kid's back. Just keep giving him more orange juice and just keeps... oh, you keep giving him orange juice, so... damn, dude. He's just giving this kid... first night spending outside? God, Lamus look like she's dead. Maybe the kid's gonna come to you. Uh-oh. You can hear the kid. Uh-oh, they're gonna fuck this kid up. Dude, that kid's gonna get fucked up. He's following you. Just wants his orange juice. Oh, you better tell people. Wait, his... Oh. Oh. Oh, the kid at... Like I said, he just wanted his orange juice. From him! What are you... Oh, he's crying. Wow, he actually had a copper coin. Aww. Oh, boy was learning. Wasn't even gonna work, yeah. The somber piano for the fucking corpse boy. Wow, Sag. I was just thinking, I'm like, of course, that Boxo is gonna be in there somewhere. Yeah, it's got its barrier. Well, you better feed him money then, because it takes away points. You might regret it later, Alamis, but we'll see. Hulami knows what's up. If it were any other shows, that sounds like a death flag. Or just a flag in general of something bad is gonna happen. I mean, technically, something bad could still happen, but the idea of, you know, things going super fucking badly that you can't do it again. I was like, what if the show just takes a really dark turn towards the end of this? I'd be like sick. Alright, that was honestly, that was a pretty alright episode too. Not much happened. Okay. The fucking AED. This is a fucking defibrillator. Whoa, shock the King of Souls. Alright, we're gonna go back to the center. Alright, so that was episode 11 of Reborn as a vending machine. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. You know that I always like talking to you guys. For me, I thought that this was a pretty alright episode. Like I said, really feels like none too big happened. We've got that whole thing with like the corpse kid and everything, and it's just like, oh man, sad piano and everything. And I was just like, whatever. Don't really care much for it. And then we've got the whole thing with like Llamas being scared of the spooky ghost stuff, which I feel is very typical. Sometimes, I don't know. I feel like I've seen this whole thing before, especially with characters who are, where their main weapon is to like fucking punch things, right, or to hit things, whatever, and then in come fucking ghosts, the thing that you can't fucking hit, right? So like, oh, it's my biggest fear and all that. So understandable with the whole thing with Llamas. It's just honestly, I was just kind of felt like it was there. I was just like, okay, that's fine. And yeah, pretty much this is a really short discussion just because I just feel like there's really nothing to say until like the next episode when we get to see the King of Souls and everything. And I will say in terms of the anime, and I know that I think I talked about it a little bit before, where it's like it's kind of in this stage, the series, the light novel stage of like limbo right now, because the mangaka doesn't really know how to continue on with this, and it kind of, you still kind of continue to see that feeling, and it certainly, the way that this anime is, it certainly does feel like the charm is starting to fizzle out just a little bit. right? Because like it's the idea of, oh, it's a vending machine in in another world, right? That's very funny. That's very haha. But then by the time you're here now in this episode, right, you're kind of used to the idea of a vending machine in another world, and it's like, all right, well, what is he going to do? And then like the whole spectacle stuff is, what sort of vending machine is he going to transform into? And I feel like, has there been a lot of explanation to these vending machines? Because I feel like in the light novel, Boxel does explain to you what some of the vending machines that he does a little bit better. But we do see, but we have been seeing a variety of vending machines and all that, and we're going to see a new one in the next episode. It seems like it's the defibrillator. But there's that whole thing of like, okay, these are all the new vending machine stuff. But then once you kind of have that and you kind of expect that, it's just kind of like, okay, what else, right? What else are you going to give me? And it really, and especially when it kind of goes onto this like slice of life feel, it's very, what is it, it feels like I said, it just really feels like, okay, in my head, what I'm trying to think is that it feels like it started off right with that mystique and that nice new feeling of vending machine in another world, but then it kind of starts to like fizzle out. As we're getting towards the end of the final episodes, so that's certainly how I feel right now, where it really does feel like it's starting to just fizzle out here and there, but we'll just have to see what's going on in the next episode. Maybe we'll get to hear from Lammis why she wants to get over her fear. Albeit, I was, albeit, Boxa's thinking like, oh, maybe she wants to get over her fear because she wants to spend more time with me and all that. And I also do enjoy how Boxa was like, felt like a parent towards Lammis, where he's like, is this what parents feel like when they let their kid go out on an errand for the first time? And like he was trying to coddle her, and Hulimi knew that he was going to do that, and he didn't. And I just like the constant amount that Lammis just have to run back to Boxo to hug him for support. So very fun, but again, nothing really too much to talk about. And I also feel like I'm not all there right now. I'm very hungry, and I feel like I'm about to fucking pass out. So if you need me, I'll do it off camera. But if I have anything else to say, I will write it in the description down below. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I will see you guys in the next episode.